Hey guys, it's Chris. We are out on the farm today where we're living now. We are living with Amanda's dad and her stepmom. We have not broke ground yet on our house. However, things are moving very fast right now. We're set to sell our current home in the neighboring city next Tuesday, which is exciting. And so right now it's around, I say probably about 8 o'clock, and we're outside. We just fed the cats, our 2 cats that stay in this shed right here with a window unit. They have a big comfortable recliner in there and everything that they need. So we just fed them. Right now, we're just kind of walking around outside. Feels really good here right now. It's not humid and the sun has gone down. Just want to show you some of the animals out here. This is not on our land right here, but this is part of the family land. The cow you see is Annabelle. I've showed her before in a couple videos. And then out in the field there are the goats. I don't know if that's all of them or not. The large billy goat you see in the back, his name is Romeo, and some of those are his offspring. So, like I said, it's not hot right now, and it feels really, really good. So, I was going to show you a little bit of their property. Before we had our plot of land divided, this was a total of 8.8 acres. Our portion is exactly 1.8, which will leave the family with 7 acres. That's Amanda walking out there. And that's Sally. Hey baby. Hey baby. Over here is part of the chicken coop. They're already getting settled. Let me see if my camera can focus there. There's a couple of them. The coop goes around the back, so a lot of them are in the back. So that's part of the coop. There's the big barn right there. When the weather's not so hot, we like to go up in the top of it and karaoke and just have a good old time. I'll have to show you what that looks like one day. This is where the horses come to drink water. They're actually on our land right now, clearing some of the grass that had grown up and gotten thick. There's the goats again, and this little shed here, or barn, is where they keep some of the lawn equipment, ladders and such. I'll give you a more detailed update of what's going on with us in a different video. I just figured this was a good time to show you what our scenery is right now and a little bit about what's been happening. So this is where the goats come when they're not out grazing. This is their little plot of home, I guess you could say. And then they can go back in that enclosure right there when it's raining. And the horses do as well sometimes. That house there is the family's home we're living in right now. We'll be living there while our house is being constructed. However, like I said again, it hasn't started being constructed yet. So as soon as it does though, I plan on showing you how that comes along, and I still want to show you what the house will look like, the plans and all that good stuff. But just so much has been going on, and I'm just been tired and overwhelmed, but things are starting to look up and get better. That is Jake. That's our other farm dog. Well, that's Amanda's parents' dog. There's another field right there where sometimes the cow, the horses, and the goats go and graze. Little wood pile right here. And then that balcony right there that comes off of the main barn is, we sometimes go out there and sit. And it's really enjoyable when the weather's nice. So I'll walk you over to what our land looks like in case you haven't seen it yet. I've not shown the family property until now, but now you know what will be beside. So got a little garden here with some, I think these are called century plants. And a crepe myrtle tree, and there's a well. Coming this way though is going toward our family land. I believe this right here is a fig bush, a fig tree. I'm not sure. I may be wrong. As you can tell probably already, our plot of land is really thick in grass right now. So we just had put the horses back over here to let them eat some of it down, and then we will get a tractor to come over and clear the land right before construction starts. So this big area beyond this little fence right here is where our house will be built, and this is our land. Our house will be in the middle somewhere, and then the driveway will be along the side here. I don't know if you can tell, we have two flags out there on little posts where our driveway is going to be. I think you can see one of the orange ones right there, but our driveway is going to come in right there and up to the house. So it goes all the way back to that shed. That shed is actually on the other side of a dirt road that runs parallel to our property. Jake and Sally, and then Carol, Amanda's stepmom, cut some branches back today from the trees that were kind of getting, they were hanging low, and she came out today and cut all of these down. So that's why you see this. It wasn't a storm. But yeah, we're really enjoying it out here. Of course, we can't wait till our house construction begins, but we are already loving living out in a more rural area than where we were. There's the horses. The white horse is named Hannah. The one behind her is Spirit. And then the one to the far left is Cheyenne. They're sweet horses. And as you can see, they have an all-you-can-eat buffet here right now. But anyway, guys, that's it for right now. I just wanted to show you what things look like around here. Again, Amanda and I are living with her family, and our house is almost officially sold. It will be closed on next week, and then our new loan for the construction will be closing this month as well. So that is wrapping up too. It's been a very, very long process, but we are getting down to hopefully breaking ground soon, so we're very excited. But I miss all of you guys. Thank y'all so much for reaching out to me and your support and you know, your kind words. They mean a lot to me, and I can't wait to start getting some videos put back out for you. To get back going, I'm going to try to give myself a goal of at least one video a week. And our budgeting style has changed, but I still want to incorporate that into the channel as well, since my channel is geared on budgeting and that kind of thing. But it might be even going a different way with living on a farm now. I may be showing more farm chores and house construction and outdoorsy type things. But let me know if you will enjoy that type of content, and if you don't, I will try to keep the content strictly or overall geared toward budgeting and that kind of thing. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and that you're keeping well in this pandemic that we're still in. And I hope all of your families are well also. So y'all leave me a comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.